What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Andreas and we're back again with another video, another review, my second one. Today I received the package from Amazon. I was expecting something very important. Without further ado, let's go for a quick unboxing. Let's grab the box. Beautiful box from Amazon. Let's take our lucky cutter. As I promised you, something very important for me. I had to buy something like this. This is a camera bag. This is a camera bag named Tarion RB02 from Amazon. It came in Greece for a price about 70 euro, including shipping costs. So let's take it out and check what we have here. Nothing special. A nylon bag. And this is our bag. It has metal clips. This is very nice. I wish this was metal also. What can we do? It's waterproof, IPX5, they say in their site. They have inside also a cover. Let's have a close look in the bag. As I mentioned, it has metal clips. It has in front of here the logo of the company, Tarion. It has this external case for a mobile or something like this. Here is something that you put your bottle of water, this case, this small case with this, I don't know how you call it, this. And from the right side, we have this quick release pocket for our camera, in order to pick it very fast when you want to. By first look, it looks good, it looks very good quality. It has these very soft pads. It's very nice, I like it. I think somewhere here I think it's in this side you put your tripod, you lock it somewhere here, you put at least the two legs of the tripod somewhere here, and somewhere here has something. Let's see. Okay. You see? This is where the tripod, this is where you put the legs of the tripod, in here, and you lock it by this wrap. So, this is the back side of the back of the backpack. It has this hatch, this door, this small door that you put your lens and whatever you want. This is the place that goes with the camera. This is for your lens. It has 2, 4, 5 lenses, but they have this Velcro things, so you can move it wherever you want it and arrange the place as the way you want. And this is the rain cover. Big, nice. You see? Tarion. So, why I bought this bag? This bag has the opening on the back side. That's important for me. It's on my back side, so it's safety for me. Nobody can open this door to pick up my lens or my camera. It has these soft pads, very nice, not to hurt your back. I like it. The material, it's a gray finish. It has some plastic inside. It's nice, it's rugged. It looks good quality. It looks good. The quality seems nice. It has these inside pockets to put some, perhaps some memory cards or something like this. Cables here, for example, inside here. Doesn't look too big, but it's okay. And I think I forgot to tell you, let's pack it up again. Let's close this pocket. Here, we have also another compartment in order to put my drone. Here I'm gonna put my drone so I can easily pick it up and lift it in the air. It has also another compartment here in order to put, I think it fits a 15.6 laptop, I'm not sure, but I think it's 15.6. The height of this bag is 46 centimeters. And around 20, I think 22 centimeters of width here. Another pocket here. The material is good. This is, I think it's rainproof. I think it's rainproof. Looks rainproof. You do something like this. Let's go put all our stuff inside here and check how we do with this backpack. This was the backpack. It took inside too many things. 80-90% of the things that I'm using every day as a photographer. My camera, 2 lenses, my GoPro, equipment of GoPro. In the top bag, as you saw, it took all the backpack, the case of my drone. You remember the plastic case of my drone? Very tight, of course, but it was fitted inside. So on top of it, I'm having my small gimbals, my small tripods, and equipment for my drone and my camera. Pretty much that's it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the mystery box. The backpack from Tarion. It came from Amazon after 15 days, price 70 euro. You're gonna find the link down below. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This will give me great support and will keep me grow in my channel, grow my audience. I'm very happy that I have finally my camera bag that I can fit all my stuff inside and I can take with me. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.